Tennis. An old sport that's been knocking about since the turn of the 12th century. But just what is it that makes tennis so special?
Well, gotta listen.
It's the hiss of a can of new balls, the crackle of strings, the quick refills, or the snapping strings, the grunts and the groans,
You cannot be serious.
even the aggressive tones. It's the scurrying ball kids,
God blimey,
or the
what a
whispering
shot from
commentators.
Dara. He's only gone and done it.
umpires' orders, plus the witty communicators, the gasps, the applause. Don't forget the enforcers of the laws, the drops of sweat, and the ones that just creep over the nets. Bat hitting ball, small versus tall, a miscued shank when there's nothing left in the tank. But ultimately, whether it's wild celebrations or feeling dejected,
No.
you'll always be respected.
Are you listening now?